Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today we will see the basic concept of tuples. Now what are tuples? So Swift introduced the basic type which is called tuples, and it's nothing, it's basically used to group the multiple values in a single compound values, we can say, right? So now where to use, like basically if you want to return some multiple values from any function, or some error handling also, you can play around with that. So let's see the practical coding now, what to do and how to do that. So let me create some variable called tuple name something equal to okay, let it be, we will play with the errors now, basic concept, so that your concept will be clear. We can say error 501. All we know about the APIs, and so these things, so these kind of errors we are having. So we can say, if suppose I want to return 501, and the string should be for this always is not implemented. Fine. Now, so now I declared one variable having two values, that is int, which is of what we call number, like 501, and what will the type of error, we can say, is a string. So we can access these kind of variables in that way. Print, I can show to the user, or like somewhere print the code is error name of that variable dot 0. Similarly we can say 1. Fine. So let's see basically why we need this. Suppose I am returning some callbacks having some errors with the code and value, what is the error and type of error, what we need. The code we can show see for our purpose by comparing that value, and for user we can't show the code, right? So for that purpose we need to show the message which type of that. So this is the real-time examples, you can play around with that. So now you can, one more type you can type, what we can say, you can use that, and one more type is there. Suppose error 501 equal to, now if I don't want to do in this way, we can do in different way as well. So we'll see, we can say error code is equal to that 501, and we can say description, suppose we can say not implemented. Fine. Like this also we can do, it's like simple print error yeah, this one call, okay, and error code. Yeah, let's see. So like this also you can return the values. So let me try with that. So guys, it's depend on your call. This is the basic syntax, and you can multiple arguments you can pass it, single argument, or whatever you need you can do with that. So it's 501. So similarly for description also you can set. So fine, description should come, 1 second. Yeah, so not implemented. So basically tuples are very helpful in the returning multiple values from the function, right? Some string, int, or type of So yeah guys, so that's it from my side. So hope you understood the basic concept of tuples, and let me know if you have any doubts or some suggestions also. So do like and subscribe also for more updates. Thanks for watching.